What's good, YouTube? Just thought I'd get on here and talk to you guys about my Mustang, all the things I have done to it. So, apologize if there's any wind noise. It is kind of windy outside, so bear with me. So basically, this is my 2014 Ford Mustang V6. This is the premium package, which is the highest trim level on the V6. And I've had it for about 4 years now, and I've done quite a few mods to it over the years. So here's just a quick walk around of what it looks like right now. The car's got about 41,000 miles on it, and I've done about 20 things to the car, and we're going to go over those things in this video to help you guys out so you can figure out if this is something or these mods would interest you if you ever want to do these to your 2010 to 2014 Ford Mustang. So I guess we'll start from the front and work our way to the back. So up front we have the GT grille. This is the premium GT grille. I got it off of Facebook. I was selling his GT grille. It does hook up to your V6. It does have the brackets where it does perfectly align right there. And then I do have the Roush front splitter that I got off of eBay. This is a eBay part. It is not a Roush part, but it does look identical to the Roush parts. So this is the front end. My car does come factory with the fog lights right here, but I did change them from halogen to HID. I got those off of Amazon. So that's what we have to the front. Working our way to the side, I do have the side marker tint. I did get this off eBay as well. This and the side markers back there. On that side, you'll see them when you get there. This right here ran me about $15. Great mod. It takes away from the orange, because I hated the orange, so it just looks very good, wraps it around. Working way to the side, I do have the 3.7 liter badge right there. I think that looks pretty cool. I like the chrome, goes with the wheels. I do have the side scoops on the side right there. And here is the reflector badges on the back, as well as reflector badges down here that are also tinted. And lastly, the third brake light, which is also tinted. Comes in a kit, and you can use them all. Like I said, about 15 bucks for those. Here is the GT500 replica spoiler. This is not the actual spoiler, but it does look like it. I got this off eBay as well for $195. I know they do sell it on American Muscle for about $300, but it looks identical, and I'm not trying to spend an extra $100 for a spoiler that looks just about the same as the OEM one. And here's a shorty antenna right here. The tall one, the factory one's like about this tall. Just looks really nice, cleans up the look a little bit. And we'll work our way to the back of the car for the exhaust. So we have the Roush Axleback exhaust system, and I have this paired up with the BBK Shorty headers, which I'll let you guys hear as well. The tips are a little dirty, but this is what I have underneath the car. So we'll make our way to the inside of the car. And like I said, this is the premium package, so it does come with all the bells and whistles. It has the leather stitched seats. It has the shaker sound system with the subs on the sides. And coming in through here, as you can see, this is a 6-speed manual transmission. And it does have the little screen display right here. It has the heated seats. So what I've done in this car is basically stock inside. I did change out the lights here. These are the map lights that you can get off Amazon as well. I did do the license plate light, and I did do the trunk light as well. This is so I can hold my phone. Just a little magnetic piece on the back of my phone. And then we do have a 3.7 liter Cyclone badge on the passenger panel. Take a look right here. Very nice. And we'll go ahead and pop the hood. show you guys what's inside. Last thing I do want to mention is I do have Mustang floor mats here. I have them on both sides. Those are about $80. You can pick them up pretty much anywhere and order them. So here's the engine bay propped up. I'll show you the mods I have under the engine. So first off, we have a Roush cold air intake, followed by a BBK 73mm throttle body, and then we have a stock intake manifold. We also have the Boss 302 strut tower bar. It does fit perfectly on the V6s. On the V8s, you would have to get the GT strut tower bar. It does not fit. You do have BBK shorty headers that link up to your stock cats. There is no cutting. It is a direct bolt-on. You do not have to worry about switching up your cats. I think that is a perfect setup with the Roush Axleback exhaust. I'll show you on this side too. It's not raspy at all. You keep your stock cats, and it's kind of tones down the Roush a little bit, because I know the Roush is very, very loud. And then here's my stickers. This is Street Macing Raid Safe, sponsored by UCF, which is the college I go to. And this is just a series BBK. If you guys want to look that up, that is the actual part number for my headers. So there you guys go. That is a full overview of my Mustang V6. A lot of videos to come, and just thought I'd get on here and tell you guys exactly what I have going on. So if you guys want any of these parts, I recommend going to eBay or Amazon, because those are going to be the cheapest options for you. And it's okay to get things used as long as you do your research and you know exactly what you're getting. And a lot of my parts I've gotten almost 50% off, because I did some research, looked up on eBay, the same exact parts that you would find. So just a quick walk around. The windows are tinted 15% on the sides, and then we have a 50% on the window, or the windshield. Makes the car a lot cooler inside, since I do live in Florida. So it does get very, very hot here. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and we'll get back to you, and more videos to come. Thank you so much, guys.